Hello, folks. Well, hello, people. Hello, folks. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, if you have a science experiment for a science project, the best thing that I could send you is that you could try the volcanoes. It is called the Mentos volcano, the soda volcano with Mentos, the Mentos soda volcano. Right. All you need is is diet diet soda or soda that has zero. Right. I'm gonna use Coca-Cola Zero for that experiment, even though but that's just the science project. The science project is that you make a cone, make it, you form the volcano. Orange soda, because it's orange soda that says diet or zero in it, could be Fanta diet, diet Fanta, or Fanta Zero as the best choice because it's orange. Fanta orange or orange soda that says diet or zero on the label. Why? Because it is made because the soda is made out of the out of a artificial sweetener created by NutraSweet that has aspartame. Because the because the Mentos, when it comes, that is have some sweetener or some chemical reaction involve that eruption, and then you put this in the diet or any soda that said zero. This using also a product developed by NutraSweet that has developed this aspartame or saccharin or something like that. That the reaction involved the eruptions of the volcano. So you got it right. They have you just get diet soda or soda that has a zero label, because Fanta Orange or Fanta Orange Zero or Diet Fanta would work best because you have the volcano right there. You put it around the soda bottle, the soda bottle, and then you toss some Mentos. This experiment I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna use Coke Zero. It is just to show you what it is that you could do with a science experiment for your children. Boys and girls, you have a cool experiment. You have a soda volcano. All you need is diet soda, diet Fanta or Fanta Zero, or orange soda that says labeled zero or diet works best because it would show a replication of a real eruption of a real volcano. It shows it shows the best solution. It shows the best replication of a real volcano on your volcano replica using diet orange soda or orange soda that says zero, or other words, Fanta Zero or Diet Fanta Orange. And then you put it up some Mentos, and you see the volcano erupt. A great experimentation of a real volcano with this replica volcano you made out of diet soda. So I'm gonna use the replication of a Coca-Cola Zero using Mentos, and you'll see the real volcano, and you're gonna see this cool science experiment right there coming your way. Now let's get ready for the volcano. So this is the fun part. We do it. I'm using Coke Zero. But what I'm gonna do right here, I need to put close up from there. I'm using my Sony Xperia. Alright, little close up. I'm using my Sony Xperia SD camera. So, what I'm going to do right there, kids, this is the Mentos. I'm going to create a volcano. What I'm going to do with this thing, as your parents, you know, this is fun for your children, people, for a volcano science project. This is the Mentos Volcano Science Project. I'm going to put one. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Just seeing how does a volcano erupt. Now we're going to put this. Volcano. This is a fun science project. Alright? So I'm gonna put on the Mentos. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fun. Now just check it. Just one Mentos you can create a volcano. So that's it. I mean, I ran out of Mentos, but hey. That was fun, everybody. Thank you for this fun experiment with the Mentos, with the soda Mentos Volcano science project. You know, parents, are you watching this? Please do that for your children. This is a fun idea. You know, you have Mentos, and you see the Coke Zero, and it just made a volcano. It was so much fun. Please do this and create this fun volcano, and please don't forget to subscribe to the Embargo Man channel. Just subscribe to the Embargo Man channel, and we have more fun things to do. Plus, just please subscribe, and don't forget to just hit on my Patreon page, and probably, if you could, hit the bell icon. Alright, goodbye, and see you on another video on the Embargo Man channel. Goodbye, adios, peace out, sayonara.